Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, kita hari ini bertemu kembali dalam pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Sebelum kita memulai, kita berdoa dulu yuk. Angkat kedua tangannya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin. Hari ini kita akan membahas tuntas Unit 9, Our Field Trip, atau perjalanan kita. Nah, di unit 9 kita akan belajar things in nature, atau benda-benda atau hal-hal yang ada di alam, dan talking about what was in the place, membicarakan tentang apa yang ada di suatu tempat. Yuk, siapkan student booknya. Baik, sekarang buka student book halaman 98. Kita akan menambah 8 kosakata baru tentang sesuatu yang ada di alam. Oke, dengarkan dulu ya.
Hill, tree, lake, forest, island, mountain, grass, beach. Hill, tree, lake, forest, island, mountain, grass, beach.
Baik, siapkan pensilnya, kita akan mengartikan.
Hill,
Hill artinya bukit.
tree,
Pohon,
lake,
danau,
forest,
hutan,
island,
pulau,
mountain,
pegunungan,
grass,
rerumputan,
beach.
pantai. Dengarkan lagi ya.
Hill, tree, lake, forest, island, mountain, grass, beach.
Oke, kita bisa lanjut.
B. Look and listen.
Nah, di sini ada video. Kamu perhatikan dulu ya. Perhatikan kosakatanya ya, sayang.
We were in a national park for our field trip. There were high mountains and tall grass. There was a tree on a hill. The tree was old. There was also a deep lake. In the lake, there was an island. There was a beach near the island. The beach was sandy. Our field trip was fun.
Oke, kita lanjut.
C. Listen and point at the picture.
Perhatikan kosakatanya ya.
Hill, tree, lake, forest, island, mountain, grass, beach.
Kita ke flashcard. Sudah mulai hafal ya? Oke, perhatikan lagi ya.
Hill, tree, lake, forest, island, mountain, grass, beach.
Sekarang kita ke practice. Nah, tadi sudah mulai hafal ya? Oke, coba. Hill. Hill apa tadi ya? Hill artinya bukit.
Hill,
Lanjut ke tree. Tree artinya pohon.
tree,
Lake. Lake artinya danau.
lake,
Lalu forest. Forest artinya hutan.
Forest.
Island, ini Island dibacanya island. Island artinya pulau.
Island.
Mountain, mountain artinya pegunungan.
Mountain.
Grass, grass artinya rumput.
Grass.
Beach, beach artinya pantai.
Beach.
Kita lanjut ya.
D. Sing a song. E. Look at the picture and say.
Oke, kita masuk ke kalimat. Lihat buku halaman 99. Pada unit 8 kemarin kita sudah belajar tentang there is dan there are. Nah, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang there was, there were. Perbedaannya apa, Bu? Nah, perbedaannya there is, dan there are itu untuk masa sekarang. Jadi untuk yang kamu lihat saat kamu membicarakannya. Nah, kalau there was dan there were seperti ini untuk kalimat yang lampau. Jadi misalkan kamu kemarin liburan, lalu kamu melihat di sana ada gunung, di sana ada bukit. Itu kan sesuatu yang sudah lalu, yang sudah lampau. Jadi menggunakan there was dan there were. Sekarang perbedaan there was dengan there were. There was itu untuk yang kata bendanya hanya satu. There was a beach. Sama seperti there is. Ya. Lalu kalau there were untuk yang kata bendanya ada banyak. Sama seperti there are. Dapat dipahami? Jadi there is dan there are digunakan untuk masa sekarang atau masa saat ini. There was dan there were digunakan untuk benda-benda yang telah kamu lihat. Jadi untuk untuk kalimat yang sudah lampau, yang lalu. Dapat dipahami? Kita masuk ke kalimat ya. Perhatikan di sini ada gambar pantai.
There was a beach in the park.
Di sana ada sebuah pantai di dalam taman.
There were some mountains in the park.
Di sana ada beberapa pegunungan di dalam taman. Mountains itu bisa puncak gunung ya sayang, bisa puncak gunung, bisa pegunungan. Lalu
there was a hill in the park.
di sana ada sebuah bukit di dalam taman.
There was a lake in the park.
Di sana ada sebuah danau di dalam taman. Dapat dipahami ya, there was dengan there were. There were untuk yang kata bendanya ada banyak, ditandai ada some atau jumlah jumlah 2, 3, 4 dan seterusnya. Lalu di akhir kata benda ditambahkan huruf s. Itu there were. There was digunakan untuk yang bendanya hanya satu. There was a bla bla bla. Perhatikan. Sama seperti there is ya, contohnya seperti ini. Kita lanjut ke gambar nomor 5.
There was an island in the park.
Di sana ada sebuah pulau di dalam taman. En, bukan e. Kenapa en? Karena kata island diawali dengan huruf i. Huruf i adalah huruf vokal. Kalau kata benda diawali huruf vokal a, i, u, e, o, maka kata depannya bukan e tetapi en. Lanjut.
There was some grass in the park.
Di sana ada rerumputan di dalam taman.
There was a forest in the park.
Di sana ada sebuah hutan di dalam taman.
There were some trees in the park.
Di sana ada beberapa pepohonan di dalam taman. Dapat dipahami ya perbedaan there were dengan there was. Kalau gitu kita bisa lanjut.
A. Listen and sing. Then circle and match.
Halaman 100, dibalik lagi sayang bukunya. Siapkan pensilnya. Bagian A ya, didengarkan dahulu lagunya.
We were in the park. We were in the park yesterday.
What was in the park? What was in the park?
There was a lake. There was a lake. There was a lake in the park.
What was in the lake? What was in the lake?
There was an island. There was an island. There was an island in the lake.
What was on the island? What was on the island?
There were some hills. There were some hills. There were some hills on the island. We were in the park. We were in the park yesterday.
What was in the park? What was in the park?
There was a forest. There was a forest. There was a forest in the park.
What was in the forest? What was in the forest?
There were some trees. There were some trees. There were some trees in the forest.
What was near the trees? What was near the trees?
There was some grass. There was some grass. There was some grass near the trees.
Baik, kita ke kuis ya. Perhatikan. Number 1. There was or were a lake. There. Coba, tadi di lagu there was a lake. Kita tarik. Lake artinya apa tadi ya? Danau. Oke, number 2. There was an island. An island artinya sebuah pulau. Number 3. There. Perhatikan di sini ada kata some dan akhirnya di akhir kata benda ada huruf S. Jadi there were some hills. Number 4. There a forest. Mana forest? Hutan. Lalu there was or were. There were some trees. Nah, kalau khusus untuk rumput, some grass dia menggunakan was ya, bukan were. Karena rumput tidak mungkin hanya satu. Nah, rumput sama seperti rambut. Oke. Kita bisa lanjut ke bagian
B. Read and answer.
Perhatikan kembali ya, nanti kita ke kuis. Siapkan pensilnya, dengarkan baik-baik.
My field trip. Yesterday was my school's field trip. We were in a national park. There was a lake, and there were 2 mountains behind the lake. There was an island in the lake. There was a beach by the lake. It was very long. There was a hill on the island. On the hill, there were 2 short trees. There was also a forest near the lake. In the forest, there were some animals. There were some birds, and there was even a snake. It was a fun field trip.
Kita ke kuis. Nah, tadi number 1. There were mountains. Besar ya hurufnya. There were mountains. Number 2. There was an island in the lake. Number 3. The beach by the lake was very long. Lalu, number 4. On the hill, the trees were short. Seperti ini ya. Kita bisa lanjut.
A. Listen.
Kita hari ini seperti kemarin ya, unit 8, unit 9 langsung full. Oke, kalau gitu kita lanjut buka halaman 102. Di sini ada video. Boleh dilihat dulu ya, sayang.
How was your field trip? Tell us all about it.
The trip was great, but we were in a big forest. There was a noise. The noise was in the tall grass. There was a long snake in the grass.
Oke.
C. Read the story again. Then answer.
Number 1. Where was Brian? Di mana Brian? Brian in a forest. Number 2. What was in the grass? Apa yang ada di dalam rerumputan? Tadi ada a snake. Okay.
A. Listen and say.
Nah, sekarang kita menambah 8 kosakata lagi tentang ukuran. Perhatikan ya.
Low, high, tall, deep, small, big, old, sandy.
Dengarkan lagi.
Low, high, tall, deep, small, big, old, sandy.
Oke, sekarang kita ke artinya ya.
Low,
Rendah. Low artinya rendah.
high, tall,
High dan tall memiliki arti yang sama, yaitu tinggi. Perbedaannya, high digunakan untuk membicarakan gunung dan sesuatu yang jauh di atas tanah. Oke. Lalu tall digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan ukuran orang, gedung, pohon, seperti itu ya. Paham? Kita lanjut.
deep,
Dalam,
small,
kecil,
big,
besar,
old,
tua,
sandy,
berpasir. Oke, dengarkan lagi deh.
low, high, tall, deep, small, big, old, sandy,
Kita lanjut.
B. Listen and draw.
Nah, seperti biasa kita memiliki 4 bangun datar. Triangle untuk segitiga, rectangle untuk persegi panjang, circle untuk lingkaran, dan square untuk persegi 4. Dengarkan ya, siapkan pensilnya.
Draw a rectangle around the word low.
Rectangle. Number 2.
Draw a square around the word high.
Square. Number 3.
Draw a circle around the word tall.
Circle. Number 4.
Draw a triangle around the word deep.
Triangle. Number 5.
Draw a circle and a square around the word small.
Circle and square. Number 6.
Draw a circle and a rectangle around the word big.
Circle and rectangle. Number 7.
Draw a rectangle and triangle around the word old.
Rectangle and triangle. Terakhir, number 8.
Draw a circle and a triangle around the word sandy.
Circle and triangle. Finish. Kita lanjut ya.
C. Listen, then look at the pictures. Ask and answer.
Oke. Were the trees old? Ibu terangkan dulu.
Were the trees old?
Ini sama seperti kalimat tanya yang di depannya menggunakan are atau is. Nah, masih ingat bedanya? Are dengan is digunakan untuk kata saat ini atau kata sekarang. Nah, sedangkan were dan was digunakan untuk kata untuk masa yang telah lampau, yang telah dilalui. Hanya itu saja bedanya ya, artinya sama.
Were the trees old?
Apakah pohon-pohon itu tua? Kenapa were bukan was? Were karena pohonnya ada banyak, trees. Kalau tree, pohonnya hanya satu. Kalau trees, pohonnya ada banyak. Nah, pertanyaannya were, jawabannya were. Oke.
Were the trees old?
Perhatikan gambar pohonnya. Apakah dia tua? Kalau iya, jawabannya.
Yes, they were.
Oke. Number 2.
Was the grass tall?
Apakah rumput-rumput itu tinggi? Jadi masih ingat ya kenapa grass menggunakan was? Itu karena rumput tidak mungkin hanya satu, tapi ada banyak, tapi dia tidak mungkin disebut satu rumput, dua rumput, tiga rumput. Gitu, sama seperti rambut. Jadi dia masuknya ke was, bukan were. Oke.
Was the grass tall?
Yes, it was.
Oke, paham ya? Number 3.
Was the beach sandy?
Apakah pantai itu berpasir? Perhatikan gambar pantainya. Ini bukan berpasir, ini berbatu. Jadi jawabannya.
No, it wasn't.
Paham ya? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Hai.
Was the mountain high?
Apakah puncak gunung tinggi? Tentu saja iya.
Yes, it was.
Number 5.
Was the island small?
Apakah pulau itu kecil? Perhatikan gambar pulaunya.
Yes, it was.
Iya, itu kecil. Terakhir, number 6.
Was the lake deep?
Apakah danau itu dalam? Perhatikan gambarnya. Di sini terlihat ada batu-batu. Jadi danau itu tidak dalam.
No, it wasn't.
Oke, dapat dipahami ya? Kalau gitu,
D. Chant.
kita tutup pelajaran kita hari ini dengan bernyanyi.
Where were you? Where were you?
We were in a forest.
What was there?
There were trees. The trees were old.
Where were you? Where were you?
We were on an island.
What was there?
There was a hill. The hill was low.
Where were you? Where were you?
We were by a lake.
What was there?
There was a beach. The beach was sandy.
Where were you? Where were you?
We were on a mountain.
What was there?
There was grass. The grass was tall.
Alhamdulillah, pelajaran kita sudah selesai. Tadi kita sudah menambah 8 kosakata tentang alam dan 8 kosakata tentang ukuran. Tadi kita juga sudah belajar there was dan there were. Semoga dapat dipahami ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.